How to use Instagram Guides feature. Instagram officially removed the Guides feature from the platform. The application phased out the tool and automatically converted all existing user guides into private or personal connections. Then use the because the original mini blog feature is no longer available, you must use the alternative tools to curate, organize, and share grouped contents on your profile. The best alternatives to curate the content is to use your Instagram highlights, which you can find by simply tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. You'll find this circle with a new plus icon. You simply have to tap on it to save your stories on your post below your bio. And you can also share up to 10 photos or videos in a single swipeable post to build step-by-step tutorials or product list. You can also find the pin post option as well as the saved collections. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.